So in body fluid and circulation, like ABO blood grouping and RH grouping present in humans. Now in ABO blood grouping, A has A antigen on RBC surface and antibody B is present in the plasma, and B has B antigen on the surface. Antigen, what is antigen? It is a substance that induces the immune responses, right? And B has like anti-A opposite antibody in the plasma. O does not have any antigen, so antibody A and antibody B present in their plasma. And AB, because it does not have any antibodies in plasma, so it is universal recipient. It can receive from any blood group. And O is, it is universal donor. Now RH grouping has a RH grouping, there is a problem like erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay, RH grouping like RH positive and RH negative. So RH positive, it is mostly present in like majority of RBC, that 80% of the humans. Now during first pregnancy there is no leakage of the blood, but during second pregnancy there is probability that the fetus. Okay, so during first pregnancy, when the blood is when the blood comes into the mother's body, it makes the antibody against the RH positive of the fetus. So so after the so during the second pregnancy there is possibility that these antibodies can kill the RH antigen of the fetus. So this is the erythroblastis fetalis that causes the severe anemia and jaundice to the baby. So that's it. And this case occurs when the RH antibodies from the mother is RH negative and like fetus is RH positive. So that's it. And then the coagulation of blood, calcium plays important role in clotting. And then there is like inactive fibrinogen. So fibrinogens, these are the inactive proteins present in the plasma. And fibrinogen is converted into fibrin by the thrombin. Now where from comes from thrombin? It is come from prothrombin to thrombin by the enzyme like thrombokinase. So this is it. And also some tissues can release some certain factors at the site of the injury. Okay, now lymph, it is tissue fluid. Blood is also kind of fluid. Now lymph is tissue fluid, is the interstitial fluid. When the capillaries, the blood accept the some protein. Okay, I'm reading it like into the spaces between the cells of the tissues, leaving the larger proteins and most of the form elements in the blood vessels. Okay, now this interstitial fluid, or it is called tissue fluid, exchange of nutrients and gases takes place from this. Okay, so they do not have like form elements, that's it, like RBCs or WBCs. They do have WBCs, but no RBCs. And the protein content is no, almost. So that's it. Now fats are absorbed through the lymph in the lacteals present in the intestinal wall. Now circulatory pathway, it is open and it is closed. Now all vertebrae possess a muscular chambered heart. Okay, fish have two, reptiles have two, three, amphibians have three, and crocodile, birds and mammals have four. Crocodile is an exception. Now human circulatory system, heart is mesodermally derived, right? And then pericardium, it is double walled membranous bag, right? It has fluid, that is pericardial fluid. Okay, they have atria, they have ventricles are thick, atria are thinner. Now there is tricuspid walls, that is three cups. And between the right atrium and right ventricle, and between the left atria and left ventricle, they have the mitral wall, that is by what it says like mitral wall or bicuspid wall, right? So this is it. Now there are some semilunar walls, that's like from right ventricle opens into pulmonary artery, is guarded by semilunar walls. And then left ventricle is when joins into like aorta, it is also guarded by the semilunar walls. And there are like two types of sounds that can be produced once there is like the closing of the walls. So first, when tricuspid and bicuspid walls, when they get closed, then there is lup sound. And then dub sounds when semilunar walls are closed, then there is like dub sounds. So these are like two wounds. Then cardiac cycles, it is 0.8 second, right?